And here again is the os coxae. This is going to be separated or connected into three parts. We have the ilium, the ischium, and the pubis. On the very top, we have the iliac crest. So what's this on top called?
Iliac
crest. Very good. We know where anterior and posterior is based upon this right here. This is called the ischial spine. The ischial spine is going to be posterior. Therefore, everything on this side is posterior. Everything on this side must be what? Anterior. And just follow the line. Okay, so this is all anterior, and this is going to be posterior. So therefore, when we look at these two bumps, this bump is going to be known as the posterior, because we're on the posterior side, same side as the ischial spine. Posterior, superior, because it's superior to this, iliac spine. This one down here is the posterior, again we're on the posterior side, inferior, because it's below this one, iliac spine. So posterior, inferior iliac spine, posterior, superior iliac spine. If we go to the complete opposite side, this is the anterior, because we're on the anterior side, superior, because it's superior to this, iliac spine, and this right here is the anterior, inferior iliac spine, because it's inferior to this guy. Okay? Next, we have these two notches. We have this larger notch and the smaller notch. The larger notch is going to be known as the greater sciatic notch, and the smaller one is going to be known as the lesser sciatic notch. So greater sciatic notch, lesser sciatic notch, and that's separated by the ischial spine. Next, we have this hole right here. Remember, it looks like the letter O. Okay, and the name of this hole right here is called obturator foramen. Obturator because of the letter O. This looks like the letter O. Again, it's obturator foramen. This right here is known as the acetabulum. Again, if we drilled a hole through this, it would come out to our butt. Another word for butt is, you don't have to say it, but acetabulum sort of sounds like acetabulum. Everybody got that? Great. Okay, next, we have this rough part right here. This articulates with the sacrum. So it would articulate, okay, basically like this. Okay, so this is called the auricular surface. This is called the auricular surface. And this right here is known as the iliac fossa. Didn't we call this the ilium? So this is the iliac fossa, and this is the auricular surface. Auricular surface articulates with the sacrum. Next, when you hear the word ramus, that term ramus is going to mean connection. So this right here is a ramus, and this is a ramus. But in fact, there's an imaginary line that's right in the center. Because remember, this is going to be the pubis, this is going to be the ischium. So this to the anterior side is going to be the inferior pubic ramus, and this up here is going to be the superior pubic ramus. So we have superior pubic ramus and inferior pubic ramus. From this imaginary line, posterior is going to be known as the ischial ramus. So again, this would be the ischial ramus, anterior to it is the inferior pubic ramus, and this is the superior pubic ramus. If I ask you what bone this is, you're going to say pubis. If I ask what is the smooth part of the bone, you're going to say the pubic tubercle. So this right here, the smooth part is called the what? Pubic tubercle. If we look on the posterior side, this is part of the ischium. This right here is called the ischial tuberosity. So what's this called? Ischial tuberosity. And the smooth one, pubic tubercle. The O, obturator foramen. What's the O?
Obturator.
Good. What's the O? Obturator foramen. And this right here is called the what?
Acetabulum.
Acetabulum. Very good. The acetabulum.